Hey, how you doing, Pat here? I had every intention of going outside to film this unboxing video, but here it is late March, and Mother Nature had better ideas for me, so we're going to film this inside today. So if you're interested in this sleeping pad, stick around, stay tuned, and I'll be back right after this. All right, how you doing? The good folks over at Luxear, I hope I'm saying that right, reached out to me not too long ago and asked me if I would like to try their double sleeping pad in exchange for an unboxing video. So I thought about it for a little bit, and the wife's been wanting to get into camping with me, so I thought, hey, why not? So I cheated. I already got the box open a little bit, but that's okay. Here it is. They call it a compact hiking pad. Alright, now that cellophane totally kicked my butt, it does come with a stuff sack here, which is always nice. Now let's see what it looks like. Hey, we got a book nobody ever reads. Anyway. Wow. Wow, that's long. Insert "that's what she said" joke here. Anyway. Wow. That's really good sized. Wow. Alright. Cool thing is, it does come with a built-in pump, but I cheat. I have a little battery-operated air pump that I inflate these things with because it's a ton easier. I mean, what you're supposed to do is lay this down on the floor, use your foot, and pump it up, which I don't have the air valve shut right now anyway. And it does work, and it works well usually, but it takes a while, and I like to inflate these when they're inside the tent. So I end up basically having to do CPR the whole time to get them to inflate, which takes a while. So that's why I decided to buy a battery-operated pump to fill this type of stuff. Before I unwrapped it, I put this on the scale, and as you can see here, it weighs just a little over 3 pounds. I don't think that's too terrible, all things considered. Let me get this laid out on the ground, reposition the camera, and I'll be back in a couple of minutes. All right, there we have it all laid out, and as you can see, you have 2 deflate ports, which is kind of cool. Okay, because I'm way too lazy to use that foot pump, I'm going to use my little air pump, which you've seen in other videos, and I'm not going to film it just because it's going to be boring, but when I've got this thing fully inflated, I'll come back and tell you how much time it took. All right, I experimented a little bit off camera here, and with just the air pump, which is normal even for my other 2 air mattresses, the air mattress just wasn't quite firm enough for my liking. So what I did is I continued inflating it via just lung power to where I couldn't put any more in it. And I think that's about right. I mean, I do not feel the ground whatsoever. I am cheating a little bit. There is carpet under me, but that doesn't matter because if I sit up like this, or like if I just put all my weight on my hip and all my weight on my elbow, it will go through it, but I don't own a sleeping pad that doesn't do that. I don't know if they even make a sleeping pad that can withstand that, that's strictly just air. For a camping pad anyway, let me clarify there. But anyway, now, if I'm by myself, I got plenty of room. I gotta admit, if I was by myself, I probably wouldn't take this. But, yeah. Just playing here in the living room, I'm kind of liking it. It'll be interesting to see what the wife has to say. She can't participate in this video because I made her go to work today. Hey, we got to get gas money for the bike somehow, right? Anyway, yeah, I'm liking this so far. It took about 3 minutes to inflate this with my little air pump. And, wow. I'm going to put the specs here in a text box above my head somewhere, and what size it is. Yeah, I'm really liking this right now. This is pretty cool. And can't wait to get out and use it for the first time this year, but that darn snow needs to quit. We need to get some decent temperatures because, face it, I'm a fairly fair weather camper. If it's going to be brutal cold, stormy, and raining, I'm going to stay home or I'm going to get a hotel. So just to give you a little bit of size comparison, I'm about 5'8", and yeah, I'm going to say it's probably 6 foot, but like I said, I've already put the specs on the screen. I'm actually kind of looking forward to using this, but not in the snow. Anyway, the good folks at Luxear gave me a discount code and a link to their Amazon store. It'll be in the first description pinned down below. Unfortunately, the link doesn't last forever. It does have an expiration date, and all that will be included down there. Hope you got something out of this unboxing video. Hope you like it. If you would, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't already, smash that subscribe button down below, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.